in my backyard because today we are going to be planting potatoes. I'm so excited. These are the few potatoes. I'm going to do some purple. I'm going to do this red northern. And I have one other potato. I'll tell you that when we're planting them. So let's get started because this is my game plan. I want to try to get 2 plantings of potatoes. I want to do an early planting of potatoes, and then when those are done, I want to amend that soil again, and I want to come back with the second round of potatoes. You heard me. Your girl wants lots of potatoes because I did pretty good last year with my potatoes, but my family tore up those potatoes like no other body's business because they were raving about how good they taste. They were so fresh and they just tasted so good. So I said I'm going to try to get enough potatoes to where it will last us through the winter, and then we won't have to be buying no potatoes from the store. So let me show you where I'm going to be planting these potatoes, and let's get these potatoes planted so we can start harvesting. Woohoo! All right, let's get these potatoes going. So we're going to do my store-bought tomatoes. We're going to do the purple potatoes. We're going to do the red Norland potatoes. And then we're going to do the russet um, Burbank potatoes. This is what my containers look like. As you can see, I have an old cauliflower plant that didn't do so well, so I'm going to put that in my compost. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to clean out all my containers. So potatoes will go here, and here, and this one, and then, so I'm going to swing you over slowly, and I'm going to put the last potato here. But as you can see, I have a bucket for over here. And then this week, we're going to come back and we're going to harvest this cauliflower, but I want my sugar snap peas to go in this container. So I'm going to plant these 5 buckets of potatoes, and then we're going to take it from there. All right, guys, so let me swing you this way because we're going to start with this container right here. I'm going to amend all these buckets, and then I'll come back and we are going to get these potatoes in these containers and get our first round of potatoes started. All right, let me get all my supplies together and we are ready to rock and roll. All right, guys, let's get these potatoes in their forever home. Guys, let's get these containers cleaned out. I'm going to use this bag for my compost that we're going to put in our compost bin. Put this in here. We had Roma tomatoes in this from the last growing season. Right. Weeds out of here. All right, let me finish up these containers and then I'll come back when it's time to plant these potatoes. Okay, let's get these red Norland potatoes planted. I've already put the amendments in there. So in this container, it's going to be the red Norland. Lift them up. going to take them. I'm just going to put it deep in there. All right, that one's done. Let's move over to this one. Next one, we're going to do the purple potato. Purple. All right, love purple. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, let's get these russet. So, russet Burbank ones in next. All right, get my trowel. All right, let's get these in here. Now let's do the purple. Because remember, I have two purples. And this one's going to be the purple. Put the signs in so we don't forget. Label, label, label. So purple. And these are the russet. Put my signs in so I'll know what my potatoes are. Do the russet. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to do the purple. And then this is the red northerns. Alright, so we got those all in. And I'm going to do one more step, extra protection. They may not fit all the way, but I'm going to put some of these screens down, maybe to deter Rocky from digging in my potato beds. So let's put some screens down. I got one more bucket to do, and that is the homegrown potatoes. Get these in here. Homegrown. Looks like it's might rain, so we gotta hurry up and get these potatoes in here. So these are big ones. See? So I'm gonna stick one there. There. Here should have hopefully one more, maybe not, just those three. Stick those three in there. All right, let's get these planted. All right, they are planted. Put the screen down. I don't know how much protection that'll do, but we're gonna try. And we're gonna put the store-bought label in. All right, guys, we are all done planting our potatoes. Woohoo! Guys, so the potatoes are in, watered, screens on to protect them for the critters that I have out here. So if you like this content, give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you will know what's happening over here in Renee's garden. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have another video of some exciting things over here in Renee's garden. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next video. All right, guys, take care.